Hello, everyone,
And welcome back,
to Let's Talk English.
the place where we speak real English
Real conversations.
about real life.
I am Emma.
And I am Ryan.
And Ryan, before we start today,
Yes?
I have a very important question for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Do you have a pet?
Emma, that question just made me very happy.
Why?
Because yes, I have a pet and I love him very much.
Oh, tell us right now.
Okay, so his name is Bruno.
Bruno, that is a strong name.
He is a golden retriever.
Oh, a golden retriever. Beautiful dog.
The most beautiful dog in the world, Emma.
Of course you think that.
Every pet owner thinks their pet is the best.
That is so true.
And Bruno, he does the funniest thing every morning.
Tell us.
Every morning when my alarm goes off,
Yes?
before I even open my eyes,
Yes?
he jumps on my bed, on all four paws, right on top of me.
On top of you.
On top of me, Emma, every single morning.
That is his alarm clock.
His alarm clock is better than 9.
And what about you, everyone watching right now?
Yes, quick question before we start.
Do you have a pet?
Write your answer in the comments below
Tell us what pet you have.
and give your pet a name.
We want to read every single answer
Everyone,
because today,
we are going to teach you
everything you need
to talk about your pet
in English
with confidence.
with natural phrases,
Real phrases.
not textbook phrases.
Real life English.
And by the end of this episode,
You will be able to talk about your pet
to anyone
anywhere.
in perfect natural English.
Are you ready, everyone?
Let us start with the basics. Okay, let us start simple.
Yes, always start simple.
So the first question anyone asks about your pet is
Do you have a pet?
simple question, simple answer.
And how do we answer?
You say, yes, I have a dog, or yes, I have a cat,
Or yes, I have a fish.
or a rabbit,
Or a bird.
or a hamster.
So many pets.
Ha, yes, so many. Okay, everyone, let us practice right now.
Yes, repeat after us.
I have a dog.
I have a cat.
I have a fish.
I have a rabbit.
Good. Now say your pet. What do you have?
Say it out loud right now.
I have a...
Fill in your pet.
Perfect. Now the second question people always ask is...
What is your pet's name?
And the answer is very simple.
His name is Bruno, or her name is Luna.
His for a boy pet, her for a girl pet.
Very important to remember that.
Ryan, tell us more about Bruno.
Okay, so Bruno is a golden retriever.
What color is he?
He's golden, light brown, very soft fur.
And how old is he?
He's 3 years old, still very young and energetic.
Ha, energetic. Good word.
Very energetic, always running, always playing.
So everyone, let us learn how to describe our pet.
Yes, you can say,
My dog is brown and white.
my cat is black with green eyes.
My fish is orange and small.
These are very natural descriptions.
Let us practice, everyone.
Think about your pet right now.
What color is your pet?
Say it out loud. My pet is...
Good. Now let us learn size words.
Size words are very useful when talking about pets.
Big, small, medium.
Tiny, huge, giant.
For example,
Bruno is a big dog, very big.
how big, Ryan?
When he stands on his back legs,
Yes.
he's almost as tall as me.
Almost as tall as you?
Almost, Emma, almost.
That is a big dog.
A very big dog, but very gentle.
Big but gentle. Good combination.
Perfect combination.
Everyone, practice this sentence.
My pet is...
Big, small, tiny, huge.
Add your size word.
Say it naturally.
My cat is tiny. My dog is huge.
Perfect. Now let us move to something more fun. Okay, everyone, now we go deeper.
Oh, I love this part.
We're going to talk about pet personality.
Because every pet has a personality.
Every pet is different.
Bruno has a very big personality, Emma.
Tell us, what is his personality?
He is very friendly,
Friendly, good word.
very playful,
Playful, another good word.
and a little bit crazy.
Crazy?
A little bit crazy. He runs in circles sometimes.
Circles?
Just running in circles in the garden for no reason.
That is so funny.
I just watch him and laugh.
Okay, so we have some great personality words here.
Yes, let us teach everyone these words.
Friendly,
When your pet is nice to everyone.
playful,
When your pet loves to play all the time.
lazy.
When your pet sleeps all day.
Ha, like some cats.
Ha, like many cats.
Funny,
When your pet makes you laugh.
shy,
When your pet hides from strangers.
loud.
When your pet barks or meows too much.
Every neighbor knows about loud pets.
Ha, every neighbor in every building knows.
So everyone, let us practice personality sentences.
Repeat after us.
My dog is very friendly and playful.
My cat is a little bit lazy.
My rabbit is very shy but cute.
My bird is very loud in the morning. We have all heard that bird.
At 6 in the morning.
At 6 every morning.
Now everyone, describe your pet's personality.
Think about your pet right now.
What is your pet like?
Say it out loud. My pet is very...
Good. Now Emma, tell us about your pet.
Oh yes, Emma, do you have a pet?
I do, Ryan. I have a cat.
A cat? Tell us about her.
Her name is Cleo.
Cleo, beautiful name.
She's a white cat with blue eyes.
White with blue eyes, very elegant.
Very elegant and very dramatic.
Dramatic?
When I'm eating my dinner,
Yes.
I sit in front of me
Okay.
and stares at me
Just stares.
the whole time I'm eating.
The whole dinner, Ryan?
The whole dinner, Ryan, without blinking.
That is very dramatic.
Very dramatic cat.
Cats are always dramatic.
Always. But I love her so much.
Of course you do.
Every pet owner loves their dramatic pet.
Ha, every single one.
Okay, now let us talk about pet habits.
Pet habits are so fun to talk about.
Because every pet has strange habits.
Strange and funny habits.
Bruno has a very funny habit, Emma. Tell us, Ryan.
Every time the doorbell rings,
Yes.
he runs to the door.
Okay, normal for a dog.
But then he picks up his favorite toy.
Oh, that is cute.
He always brings a gift for the visitor.
A gift?
Always a toy to give to the person at the door.
That is the most adorable thing I ever heard.
Every visitor gets a welcome gift from Bruno.
I want to visit your house now.
Come anytime. Bruno will be ready with a toy.
Okay, everyone, let us learn some useful habit phrases.
Yes, very useful for conversations.
He always.
She never.
Every morning he.
Every night, she.
Sometimes he.
He loves to.
She hates.
He's scared of.
Great phrases. Let us use them.
Bruno always sleeps on my feet at night.
Cleo never drinks from her water bowl.
Wait, never?
Never, Ryan. She only drinks from the tap.
From the tap?
Running water only. She will not touch the bowl.
Dramatic cat.
Very dramatic cat.
Bruno every morning wakes me up at exactly 7.
Every night Cleo sleeps on my pillow.
On your pillow?
On my pillow, Ryan. Not her pillow, my pillow.
And where do you sleep?
I sleep on the edge of the bed.
And the cat has the whole pillow.
The whole pillow.
Okay, everyone, your turn.
Think about one funny habit your pet has
Just one habit.
and make a sentence.
My pet always.
Or my pet loves to.
Say it out loud right now.
Write it in the comments too.
We want to hear the funniest pet habit.
The funniest one wins our hearts.
Ha, our hearts and our laughs.
Okay, let us move to something important.
Yes, very important.
Taking care of your pet in English. Okay, now let us talk about pet habits.
Pet habits are so fun to talk about.
Because every pet has strange habits.
Strange and funny habits. Bruno has a very funny habit, Emma.
Tell us, Ryan.
Every time the doorbell rings,
Yes.
he runs to the door.
Okay, normal for a dog.
But then he picks up his favorite toy.
Oh, that is cute.
He always brings a gift for the visitor.
A gift?
Always a toy to give to the person at the door.
That is the most adorable thing I ever heard.
Every visitor gets a welcome gift from Bruno.
Oh, I want to visit your house now.
Ha! Come anytime. Bruno will be ready with a toy.
Okay, everyone, let us learn some useful habit phrases.
Yes, very useful for conversations.
He always.
She never.
Every morning he.
Every night she.
Sometimes he.
He loves to.
She hates.
He's scared of.
Great phrases. Let us use them.
Bruno always sleeps on my feet at night.
Cleo never drinks from her water bowl.
Wait, never?
Never, Ryan. She only drinks from the tap.
From the tap?
Running water only. She will not touch the bowl.
Dramatic cat.
Very dramatic cat.
Every morning, Bruno wakes me up at exactly 7.
Every night, Cleo sleeps on my pillow.
On your pillow?
On my pillow, Ryan. Not her pillow, my pillow.
And where do you sleep?
I sleep on the edge of the bed.
The cat has the whole pillow.
The whole pillow.
Okay, everyone, your turn.
Think about one funny habit your pet has
Just one habit.
and make a sentence.
My pet always.
Or my pet loves to.
Say it out loud right now.
Write it in the comments too.
We want to hear the funniest pet habit.
The funniest one wins our hearts.
Our hearts and our laughs.
Okay, let us move to something important.
Yes, very important.
Taking care of your pet in English. Okay, everyone, now let us learn pet care words.
Very useful for real life.
When you talk to a vet
Or a pet shop.
or a friend about your pet.
You need these words.
Let us start with daily care.
Yes. What do you do for your pet every day?
Feed.
I feed my dog twice a day.
I feed my cat in the morning.
Walk.
I walk my dog every evening.
I take my dog for a walk in the park.
Brush.
I brush my dog's fur every week.
I brush my cat to keep her clean.
Play.
I play with my rabbit every day.
I play fetch with Bruno in the garden.
Clean.
I clean my fish tank every 2 weeks.
I clean my bird's cage on Sundays.
Great words. Let us practice together.
Repeat after us, everyone.
I feed my pet every day.
I walk my dog in the park.
I brush my cat's fur.
I play with my pet every evening.
I clean my pet's home every week.
Good. Now, let us talk about something very emotional.
Oh yes, this part always gets me.
Why, Ryan?
Because I love Bruno so much.
Tell us.
Okay, this section is my favorite.
Why?
Because we get to say how much we love our pets.
And in English, there are so many beautiful ways to say it.
So many ways.
Ryan, how much do you love Bruno?
Emma, Bruno is not just a dog to me.
No?
He is my best friend.
Aww.
He is always happy to see me.
Always?
Every single time I come home.
Even if you were only gone 5 minutes?
Even if I was only gone 5 minutes, Emma. He acts like I was gone for a year.
That is dogs for you.
The best welcome home every single day.
That is beautiful, actually.
It really is. When I have a bad day,
Yes?
I come home, Bruno runs to me.
And?
Suddenly, the bad day does not matter anymore.
That is so sweet, Ryan.
Pets do that. They make everything better.
They really do.
What about Cleo, Emma?
Oh, Cleo is different.
Different how?
She does not run to the door when I come home.
No?
She does not even look up sometimes.
She ignores you?
Completely ignores me, Ryan.
That is so rude.
Very rude. But then,
Yes.
at night, when I'm on the sofa,
Okay.
she slowly walks over
Yes.
and sits on my lap
Aww.
and starts purring.
Purring. That is the best sound.
The best sound in the world.
Okay, so let us learn how to express love for pets in English.
Beautiful phrases, everyone.
He is my best friend.
She means everything to me.
I cannot imagine life without him.
She always makes me smile.
He is always happy to see me.
She comforts me when I'm sad.
He makes every day better.
She's part of our family.
Wow, such beautiful phrases, Emma.
Let us practice, everyone.
Repeat after us.
My pet is my best friend.
She makes every day better.
I cannot imagine life without him.
She is part of our family.
Say these sentences and feel them.
Because they're true for every pet owner.
Every single one.
Okay, last section.
And this one is very fun.
Very fun. Tell us, Emma.
Okay, everyone, now we put everything together.
Yes, let us have a real conversation about pets.
A full natural conversation.
The kind you would have with a friend.
Or a colleague. Or a neighbor.
Anyone.
Ryan, pretend you just met me for the first time.
Okay, I am ready.
Go.
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Ryan. Nice to meet you too.
So, do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I have a cat. Her name is Cleo.
Oh, that is a lovely name. What does she look like?
She is white with blue eyes. Very beautiful.
How old is she?
She is 4 years old. What about you? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a golden retriever. His name is Bruno.
Oh, I love golden retrievers. Is he friendly?
Very friendly. He loves everyone he meets.
That is so sweet. Does he do anything funny?
Yes, he brings a toy to every visitor at the door.
That is adorable.
He is the best welcome committee.
I love that. Cleo just ignores my visitors.
Typical cat.
Typical cat.
See, everyone? That was a real natural pet conversation.
All the phrases we learned today
Use naturally.
in a real conversation.
That is how it works in real life.
Simple, natural, friendly.
Okay, everyone, let us remember what we learned today.
Yes, summary time.
First, basic pet questions and answers.
Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog named Bruno.
Second, describing your pet.
He is golden, big, friendly, and a little crazy.
Third, pet habits.
He always brings a toy to visitors at the door.
Fourth, pet care vocabulary.
I feed, walk, brush, and play with my pet every day.
Fifth, expressing love for your pet.
He is my best friend. He makes every day better.
That is everything you need
To talk about your pet in English,
confidently
naturally,
with anyone.
anywhere.
Ryan, one last thing.
Yes?
What would you say to Bruno right now?
Bruno,
Yes?
you are the best dog in the world.
Aww.
And I will be home soon.
He's watching this episode, Emma.
He's definitely watching.
Good boy, Bruno. Okay, everyone. Our question for today.
Yes, go to the comments right now.
And tell us about your pet.
Write your pet's name
What animal it is.
and one funny thing your pet does.
We will read every single comment.
Everyone, we promise.
And if this episode helped you today,
Please subscribe to Let's Talk English.
new episode every week.
Real English,
Real conversations.
real life.
I am Ryan
And I'm Emma.
from Let's Talk English.
Take care of your pets, everyone.
And keep speaking English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.